Hello guys, today I'm gonna do blue smoky eyes. I hope you all like my video. In the product I'm gonna use in this video is easily available, so don't worry for the product. First, I'm gonna clean my face with this face cleaner, so don't worry, it is easily available in the market. It's a wet wipe of lemon flavor. I am using this neon primer. It is easily available and affordable. Now I'm going to use pink color on my crease like this. Do same on another eyes. Now take blue color on the brush like this. See? And put it on your eyelid. After completing that, just comb your eyebrows first, like this. And then do fill the space in the eyebrows. After completing your eyes, use Maybelline Fit Me. It's 230 Natural Buff. It suits to my skin. Now I'm using this foundation under my eyes first. I'm using this sponge like this. And do it on other part. And then start to merge it. Foundation, I am using this LA Pro contour powder. Now for the contour, use this brush from your center of your ear to hair like this. And blend it nicely. Now use this brush on your nose also. Now finally I'm going to use Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Me Liquid Lipstick.